are you today? I hope you are always healthy. We are from Group 2 and in this video we want to convey our presentation about listening TOEFL strategy based on Longman's book. Let's check it out!
General strategies for listening comprehension paper TOEFL test. 1. Be familiar with the direction. The direction on every paper TOEFL test are the same, so it is not necessary to spend time reading the directions carefully when you take the test. You should be completely familiar with the directions before the day of the test. 2. Listen carefully to the passage. You should concentrate fully on what the speakers are saying on the recording because you will hear the recording one time only. 3. You know where the easier and the more difficult questions are generally found within each part of the listening comprehension session. On the paper test, the questions generally progress from easy to difficult. 4. Be familiar with the pacing of the test. You have 12 seconds between each question on the recording, so you must answer each question within 12 seconds and then be prepared for the next question on the recording. 5. Never leave any answer blank on your answer sheet. Even if you are not sure of the correct response, you should answer each question. There is no penalty for guessing. And the last 6. Use any remaining time to look ahead at the answers to the questions that follow. When you finish with one question, you might have time to look ahead at the answer to the next question.
General strategies for the listening session. Number 1, be familiar with the direction. The direction on every TOEFL test are the same, so it is not necessary to spend time reading the direction carefully when you take the test. You should be completely familiar with the direction before the day of the test. Number 2, be familiar with computer activity. This section of the computer TOEFL test is addictive. This means that you will start with a medium level question, that the difficulty of the question will increase or decrease depending on whether or not your answer are correct. Number 3, set the volume carefully before you start the listening section. You have the opportunity to adjust the volume that you would like before you start the section. Number 4, dismiss the direction as soon as they come up. The time starts when the direction come up. You should already be familiar with the direction, so you can click on dismiss direction as soon as it appears and save all your time for the question. Number 5, listen carefully to the spoken material. You will hear the spoken material on the time only. You might not repeat the spoken material during the test. Number 6, use visual to help you focus on the context. As you listen to the spoken material, you will see visual material on the screen. The visual information may help you to understand the context for the spoken material as well as the content of the spoken material as you listen. Number 7, pitch yourself between a question. You control when the spoken material is played. You may take as much time as you need between questions.
Alright, I will continue with the next point about general strategies for the listening section computer TOEFL test. Okay. 8.
Think carefully about a question before you answer it. You may not return to a question later in a test. 9. Click on an answer on a computer screen when you have selected an answer. You may still change your mind at this point and click on a different answer. 10. Click on the next and then click on a confirm answer for record your answer. Do not spend too much time on a question you are unsure of. If you truly do not know the answer of the question, simply guess and go on. 12. Be careful not to make careless mistakes. If you carelessly choose an incorrect answer, the computer will move you to an easier level of question. 13. Monitor the time carefully on the title bar on a computer screen. The title bar indicates the time remaining in the listening section. 14. Do not randomly guess at the end of the section. To complete all the questions in a section before time is up. Random guessing to complete the section will only lower your score. Thank you.
Producer for the short dialogues computer TOEFL test. 1. Listen carefully to the short dialogue. You may listen to the dialogue one time only. 2. Use the visual to help you focus on the context. A context setting visual appears on the screen at the beginning of each short dialogue. It shows you who is talking and where they are talking. And 3. As you listen to each short dialogue, focus on the last line of the dialogue. The answer to the question is generally found in the last line of the dialogue. Listen to the question following the short dialogue as you read it on the screen. Each listening question is both spoken and written on the computer screen. 5. Keep in mind that the correct answer is probably a restatement of a keyword or idea in the last line of the dialogue. Think of possible restatement of the last line of the dialogue. 6. Keep in mind that shorthand structures and expressions are tested regularly in the dialogues. Listen for this structure and expression. Structure passive, negative, wishes, and condition. Functional, expression, agreement, and uncertainty. Suggestion, surprise. Idiomatic, expression. 2-part verbs, 3-part verbs, idioms. 7. Even if you do not understand the complete dialogue, you can still find the correct answer. If you only understand a few words or ideas in the last line, choose the answer that contains a restatement of those words or ideas. If you do not understand anything at all in the last line of the conversation, choose the answer that sounds the most different from what you heard. Never choose an answer because it sounds like what you heard in the dialogue. 8. Click on an answer on the computer screen when you have selection on answer. You must still change your mind at this point and click on a different answer. 9. Click on next, then click on confirm answer to record your answer. After click on this button, you cannot go back and change your answer. 10. Be prepared for the next question. After you click on confirm answer, the next question begins automatically. Click on next, then click on 9. Click on next, then click on confirm answer to record you. Example, he doesn't want to go to the concert.
Short dialogue on the paper strategies. Number 1. As you listen to each short dialogue, focus on the second line of the conversation. The answer to the question is generally found in the second line. Number 2. Keep in mind that the correct answer is probably a restatement of a key word or ID in the second line of the dialogue. Think of possible restatements. Number 3. Keep in mind that certain structures and expressions are tested regularly in the short dialogue. Listen for this structure and expression. Structure, passive, negative, wishes, and conditions, functional expression, agreement, uncertainty, suggestion, and surprise, idiomatic expression, two-part verbs, three-part verb, and idioms. Number 4. Keep in mind that this question generally progress from easy to difficult. This means that question I drop 5 will be the easiest and question 26 drop 30 will be the hardest. Number 5. Read the answer and choose the best answer to each question. Remember to answer each question even if you are not sure of the correct response. Never leave any answer blank. Number 6. Even if you do not understand the complete dialogue, you can still find the correct answer. If you only understand a few words or ideas in the second line, choose the answer that contains a restatement of those words or ideas. If you do not understand anything at all in the second line of the conversation, choose the answer that sounds the most different from what you heard. Never choose an answer because it sounds like what you heard in the dialogue. Number 7. Be prepared for the next question. You have only 12 seconds between questions. For example, from the paper TOEFL test. On the recording you hear, "Man, despite this basic course could not be any harder." Woman, I will say. Narrator, what does the woman mean? In your textbook, you read A. She has something to say to the man. B. She does not think the basic course is hard. C. She agrees with the man. D. She would like to discuss the basic course.
For skill, focus on the last line. First, the last line of the dialogue probably contains the answer to the question. Second, listen to the first line of the dialogue. If you understand it, that's good. If you don't understand it, don't worry, because it probably doesn't contain the answer. Third, be ready to focus on the last line of the dialogue because it probably contains the answer. Repeat the last line in your mind as you read through the answers in the text. Example from the paper and computer TOEFL test. On the recording, you hear, "Man, Billy really made a big mistake this time." Woman, "Yes, he forgot to turn in his research paper." Narrator, what does the woman say about Billy? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. It was the first time he made a mistake. B. He forgot to write his paper. C. He turned in the paper in the wrong place. D. He didn't remember to submit his assignment. The last line of this dialogue indicates that Billy forgot to turn in his research paper, and this means that he didn't remember to submit it. The best answer is therefore answer is D. Second skill, choose answers with synonyms. First, as you listen to the last line of the dialogue, focus on keywords in that line. Second, if you see any synonym for keywords in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. Example from the paper and computer TOEFL test. On the recording, you hear, "Woman, why is Barbara feeling so happy?" Man, she just started working in a real estate agency. Narrator, what does the man say about Barbara? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. She always liked hard work in real estate. B. She began a new job. C. She just bought some real estate. D. She bought a real estate agency. In this dialogue, the keyword started means began, and the keyword working refers to job. The best answer to this question is therefore answer B. Third skill, avoid similar sounds. First, identify keywords in the last line of the dialogue. Second, Identify words in the answers that contain similar sounds and don't choose these answers. On the recording you'll hear, "Man, why couldn't Mark come with us?" "Woman, he was searching for a new apartment." Narrator, what does the woman say about Mark? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. He was in the department office. B. He was looking for a place to live. C. He was working on his research project. D. He had an appointment at church. The keywords in the last line of the dialogue are searching an apartment. In answers C and D, the words research and church sound like search, so these answers are incorrect. In answers A and D, the words department and appointment sound like apartment, so these answers are incorrect. The best answer is therefore answer B.